The butterfly matrix is a unique anterior matrix with an incorporated soft wedge designed to separate and isolate adjacent teeth for all your anterior restorations. It replaces flimsy cellulose strips, Teflon tapes, and stiff wedges. It is made from a flexible, transparent material, with 2 wedges on each side, wide and narrow, for different sizes of embrasures. The butterfly feature is placed on the opposite side of your restoration and acts as a stopper in case of gaps between teeth. Ensure the butterfly feature is positioned on the opposite side of your restoration and the wedge towards the gums. Firmly hold the matrix and begin a gentle sawing motion in between the teeth. Pull forward firmly until the wedge passes through the gingival embrasure. While still pulling, use 2 fingers of one hand to grip the middle of the strip, creating an anchor and floss it between 2 to 3 teeth distally.